Hey guys!
We're back!
We're back. We've been away for a while from the vlogging, but now we are gonna show you something that we love to cook.
Yup. It is very easy and very affordable. Parang food for five people.
This food is called tuna pie.
Our version.
Our version of tuna pie. So very simple. We'll show you how to make it.
So for the crust, we will need 1 cup of flour, any flour, 1/2 cup of oil, any oil, and water.
So that's
Yung
how
water,
you
tansa-tansa lang tayo doon.
So you take your 1 cup of flour and your 1/2 cup of oil and you mix it together. Actually, to be honest, this is the first time that I'm measuring in a while because I usually just make it like tansya-tansya talaga. So you mix it together.
And then, if you can see, medyo, tawag dyan. If you can see, medyo
Masyadong madaming oil.
Madaming oil. So what you need to do, you just add
some more
flour. So tansya-tansya lang ulit.
1/2 cup more flour. So guys, see, this is how I cook.
So you need 1.5 cup of flour.
Ayan, this looks better. So what you want to see is there's enough oil that it's holding together, but you still want it very dry. So we grab some water and pour it in, just a little bit at a time, and mix it. You know, it's easier to use your hands, so just make sure that you've washed your hands already.
So make sure to ready also your Pyrex, which will go into the oven. So this is what we're gonna use.
So now we take our flour, you can see it here, well it's now dough, right? And we drop it in the pan, very easy, and we will just spread it out. Alright, so this is our flour in the pan, this is our dough in the pan, and this is the hardest part of the whole recipe. The rest is easier.
Yep.
So let's do it.
Okay. Make sure you preheat your oven. Okay? Preheat your oven 200. Actually, no. 180 Fahrenheit. Okay? So, dahil sila yung sa amin, we'll use this
Knife?
180 Fahrenheit.
And since sira yung knob ng oven, we use a knife to turn it. So this is for you.
So make sure na top and bottom yung heat. Then we'll just open it while we're preparing our filling. Alright, let's go. Lego. Okay, next.
Next step, we have 2 cans of tuna. We use Gold Seas tuna, but you can use any brand that you want.
Yeah, usually ang ginagamit namin, yellowfin tuna chunks in spring water. Pero dahil wala, we're gonna use this. So, open it and drain 1 cup of fresh milk, pepper to taste, and dapat may mushroom, but when we checked, wala na pala kaming mushroom. So, mas masarap siya guys kung may mushroom. So, put what's this? Put the tuna in a separate bowl. You just eat, post a photo. That's it. Put 2 cans. Mash lang siya ng konti lang. Para lang hindi siya as in chunks. Guys, mas okay yung chunks compared to flakes. Para meron talagang laman.
Pour 1 cup
of milk. This looks ew for the others, but it's good.
Guys, it sounds weird, no? Tuna with milk, pero promise, masarap to.
Then eggs, without shells, but we'll see.
1.
1.
Nice.
Guys, 2 ha, 2. There are 2 eggs. Then,
mix it. Ay, a little pepper.
a little pepper, just to taste. Don't put any salt ha. Ito lang.
Why?
Pepper.
Kasi the tuna is already salty.
Yan, a little lang. Generous amount. Then mix it. Mix it all together. And together it is the best of both worlds. Lastly,
Time to pour it.
time to pour it. Pour it like that. Yan. Lagay nyo lang siya dun sa ginawa nyong mixture. Ay, mixture. Crust.
Guys, look, I'm so sweet while filming. For the angle.
There. Oh, ay, ano na naman. And then, ayan na. Time to put it in the oven.
So let's go.
So, yeah. Put it in the oven. Open the oven.
Okay. Remember, it's already been preheated.
Okay. Put it.
There we go.
Okay. Wait for about 20 minutes. And we will be back.
And we will be back. Okay guys, 15 minutes in and I've put up the temperature to 250 because we just want this to start to brown because the tuna's already cooked, right? So it's really just about cooking the crust and then it's done. So higher temperature. So you can see that the filling is dried. So I think it's about ready. The time is now 5:35 and we put it up to 250. We end it with our secret ingredient.
Make sure to top it with butter. Super sarap, friends.
Butter or margarine
Butter
will do.
we'll be using Daisy. Yes.
Kasi yeah,
All for us.
that's what's in the ref.
Put it lang on top. So that's it.
That's our vlog for today. I hope you like this tuna pie and I hope you can try it for yourself and let us know if you like it.
We will put the ingredients down below also.
And speaking of liking it, like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
So see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Hopefully tomorrow.
Bye!
Bye!